Guys, I know I look like I'm barefaced right now because I'm not having any makeup on. Today's video, I just want to share with you guys a unboxing video. I haven't done these in a long time and I failed Vlogmas this year, obviously, but I'm still continuing doing videos regardless. Hopefully you guys like this unboxing video, and thank you guys for supporting me. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video and leave a comment on what's your favorite product in this video. I have two boxes that are coming, but I'm just showing you guys the first box and I'll show the other one tomorrow. But this is what's inside of here. Oh my gosh, all my friends like packaged this so fucking good. This one is an eyelash organizer. So if you're an eyelash freak, this is your friend. It's like this. It has like 18 in here in total. I have like 3 of these so far because I just love how they store my lashes. This looks like that. One majority is all lashes. This one is in PX Look Cosmetics brand. This one is in Princesa, which looks like this style. And this one is in Coeta. This one is in Dole. One is in Bella. Ula. Serenita. This one is Guapa in Lorella Cosmetics. This one is in Athens. This one is more Maldives. If you guys have been there, it's so pretty. This one is Miss Lil Mink Lashes. I like the styles. This one has 2 inside. This one is in Athena. This one is Orlando in Italy. Portugal. Sorry guys. Home. Beauty. This one is A70 and A130. Super cute. This one is A5. This one is my favorite because this one's more of a magnetic lash. This one is in style Lady. There's more in the back. Oh my god. My friend said I was insane. So there's more here. This one is in style, can't read that. This is Cambridge in Lorella style. And Taurus, because I chose this one. It's my horoscope. Chica. Santorini, I think. Style Swanky. I think I'm saying these wrong, but yeah. Is Fiji. Is in Vingo. Crown. Jenna. This one is in Denmark. Is in Spain. Poland. Last but not least, Jenna, another one, I think. Those are my lashes there. So I also have this liquid eyeliner. I also have Mamacita style. And no surprise, more lashes. And this one is super cute. I like to take care of my lash. So I'm trying out these. It kind of stores all my lashes inside. So if I'm like traveling, this is really cute to bring with me.
This one is another eyelashes, but it comes with the glue. It's more of like a magnetic eyelash thing. So it has a magnetic glue and you got your lash.
Have more lashes. So this one is Princesa, Fetch, and Glamorous. Miss Lit lashes. This one is in number 20. This one is in Princess. So for palettes, I got the Bella Forever Metamorphosis palette. This one is super pretty. You got like so many variety of colors. There's like many glitters galore. And Moria Flirting Flamingos. The palette looks like this. Beauty Creation Nutcracker palette. Looks like that. Super pretty. Bella All I Want for Christmas palette. Looks like that. This Romantic Beauty professional makeup eyeshadow palette. This one has 24 colors, and when you open it, it has all of these cute colors. I love it. Look, it's so pretty. Guys, I also forgot about this one. This one's actually my favorite in the palette, like in all palettes I've gotten. I love this because of all the bright colors, everything. I'm all about like colorful things, so like this one's like really my favorite colors in this palette. Hey guys, Hey guys, so I'm doing like part 2 of the unboxing because last time I did like the other box yesterday. So this one is the second one. It was supposed to come yesterday, but I guess it was delayed. So this is the second one. I'm going to show you guys what's inside of this box. This is the 12-piece brush collection from Bella Cosmetics. I have Beauty Creations Dare to Be eyeshadow brush set. Another lash collection. This one is in Weighty and Miss Licks number 43. One is another one in 16. Super cute. I have this one in number 22. And this one is 58. Ones are earrings. Super pretty. I like the gold one. So cute. And I also have another one here in blue. Earrings, which is like a purpley color. Look like this. Liquid eyeliner. This one is like a colored liner. I always like trying new things for makeup looks, so I'm trying this one out. This one is like more of like a purpley color. This one is more of a neon yellow. Green. This is for Christmas, but Christmas has passed, so I'm just gonna use this maybe for St. Patrick's or something coming up. Lashes. This one is the number 10. I like a dramatic lash. Looks like this. So cute. Purpley shade. This one's my favorite. Glitter. Looks like this. It's Bella Forever Sparkle Chick Palette. This one is more a different vibe than the other one that I showed you guys yesterday. And then when you open it, it looks like this. Super vibrant colors. It actually, it really smells like candy when you open this palette, which is nice. So when I'm doing my makeup, it's like a refreshed smell. That's really unique though. That glitter, the orange one, is super pretty. I can't wait to touch these. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of this bag. One thing I like about it, it's very cute and sparkly. Look like these. They're very glittery. I think it's perfect for Valentine's, the holidays, any really occasion. It has also like a makeup bag with it. It's like more of like an orangey color. A variety of everything. You get eye brushes, face brushes, eyebrows, fan brush, everything. And this one is Beauty Creations, if anyone's wondering what the brand is. So I also want to share, since this is going to be like an unboxing video, I just want to put this in one kind of video. So this one is more of like the Ipsy box. And this is the December box. I thought I canceled this, but they still sent me the product. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I've received for them. And I'm actually excited what's inside. So these are all the products in the pamphlet. This one is Home Holidays, Home from the Holidays theme. Is this Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick. And this one is in the shade Catwalk Killa. I love keeping these lipsticks because I'm just so obsessed with them. This one is the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. So this one, it mattifies and hydrates your sensitive skin. And then this one is the Florence Built to Lash Mascara. Like this, and the shade is Black Noir. It's very simple. I feel like you can really carry this with you, and it's very lightweight material. 2 lippies. I'm excited. So this one is the Dose of Colors Happy Hour Lip Gloss. Happy Hour. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So the pink shade looks like this. It's cute and sparkly. I feel like you can rock this with a pinkish nude and put this as like a topper. This one is like more of like an eye cream. To reveal a bright and even skin tone, it provides the skin with deep hydration and visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's an eyeliner. I believe this one is the Ipsy, oh yeah, liquid eyeliner. Let's see. So this one is a lavender lotion, super cute. This is the Artist Culture Diamond Light Finish Loose Golden Loose Powder. So it's like a mixture of like, maybe you can use it like as a little bronze going on. I have the golden hour color, super cute. You can use this as like a highlight. Retails for full size, I think this is more of like a travel size, but this one retails for $25. And the Dose of Colors lip gloss retails for $17. This one, the one I was sharing with you guys earlier, retails for $68 retail. The Huda Beauty retails for $20, and the full-size mascara retails for $14. And it's like a deluxe sample, but if you want it full-size, it retails for $17. And this one is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer, and it's full-size, and it retails for $32. So this one is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Finish Powder. This one is more of like a travel size. Lasting Smile chapstick. This Clarity Glimmer of Hope Shimmer Facial Oil. The theme for the makeup bags are this. It's like a fuzzy one. I don't know how I feel about it. It reminds me of my old dog, but like in white color. Inside the box, I got an eyeshadow palette, which is the full-time eyeshadow palette from Complete Culture. It looks like this. It looks so fancy, like just the metal and everything. Ooh. One thing about this, it doesn't say it's cruelty free. This very pretty, has all the neutrals. Like you can literally bring this everywhere with you if you really wanted to. And that glitter right there is like amazing for highlight. All these glitters too. Oh my god, it's lined. And in my subscription box, I think it's not too shabby. It's so funny how I got two lippies in here, which I like. I'm into lippies or mascara or palettes, but depending what kind of palette I get. You guys for watching my unboxing video from yesterday and today. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think of my unboxing video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Won't you take me home? I wanna ride it. I wanna know, ride it.